Eazeye is at it again with the Monitor 2.0. The benefit of this one is that it employs a UHR layer over the screen itself, which stands for Ultra High Reflectivity. We'll get into all this during the full review, but to sum up, this reduces the reflection to 0.5% and actually shows 98% transmission of the viewable content. This is all very promising as Eazeye has backed this technology and has made several devices utilizing transflective and reflective technology for years now. It has a paper-like feel, but a fast refresh all the same, with none of the ghosting or flickering that e-paper monitors suffer from. So with that, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Already looking at the screen, it really does cut down on a lot of reflection. The unit is lightweight but not overly heavy, making it feel like there's some value. The buttons and ports are tooled gorgeously on both sides and feature everything you would need to get the job done regardless of your use case. The design is the most fit and finished we've seen from the brand. And of course that all-new logo, which resembles a UI toggle. A full-size HDMI is employed to ensure no need for adapters. This hinge is incredibly tight to pull up, which is a good thing. It's not going to get loose. This is honestly the best looking unit they've ever made, stepping away from the prototype-y type feel of the previous releases. How this performs, well, you're gonna have to wait for the review, but honestly, this is looking good. It's looking too good, in fact. It's a stark departure away from the previous units in more ways than one, and is honestly pretty exciting to say the least.